Namaste, I'm Dr. Meena Shah from Project Sarthi. Today I want you to motivate you to live your dream life. So you have to have big dreams now. You have to understand yourself, okay, what you want in your life and walk towards it so that you can live your dream life. What you want to be, you divide your life, you understand yourself, okay, what kind of health you want, like your growth period is what kind of a height, body, appearance, personality, your nature, friendly, not friendly, education, career, what kind of friends you want to have. You must learn to understand and get the whole idea about your life and write it down. What you write has a chance to come true because your life will slowly move and gravitate towards it with your efforts. So learn and make a whole goals in writing and understand what all things you need to reach your goal and start taking action every single day. Suppose you want to be an artist, you want to go to a design institute. Then what can you do from 7th standard, 10th standard? How much you can practice, where you need to learn more. So like just one example, similarly learn from that age, learn from your young age and start choosing a career, start choosing your life, start choosing right kind of friend, focus on your relationship. Okay, with my parents, what kind of relationship I want? And then work towards it. Be in communication with your parents, who could be your guide and mentor, your teachers, your Sarthi teachers, your friends who could be thinking like you, and your life. It is your life and you can take your life towards your dream life. Your life, you need to have a dream life. Okay, but your effort is the most primary thing to live your life with a big dreams and achieve them.